Hey everyone, I wanted to thank you so much and tell you how excited I am about all of you who have jumped on board with the virtual consult that I'm going to be doing for you with our AccuMap 5 testing kit with ZRT. I'm so excited. So you're gonna get estradiol, estrone, which is a super important hormone for you to get, and this is the only test kit that has it included. Progesterone, so you'll get the estradiol and progesterone ratio as well, and DHEA, which is so important because it is our secret to being able to increase our testosterone with supplements over the counter, and it's also our secret to energy as well as immune function. So I can't wait to get started with you guys. Your kits have already been ordered, but we've got one more day. We've got one more day until midnight tonight for anyone who hasn't jumped on board to jump on board. So let me show you what's going to be inside your kit. Okay, so when it arrives, there will be things in it. You'll have, of course, your mailing envelope and label. So it'll have the envelope that is so easy to just drop off in any UPS box. And what's important, there will be some instructions in there, but I'm going to be sending you a private email as well. So be waiting for that, okay? Because there'll be a lot of private stuff going on between us along the way, okay? So anyway, you will have instructions in there. You'll get more from me, and there will be one main tube in there. There's a large tube. Now, I've asked ZRT to take out the 3 little tubes that they commonly add in all the kits. So if you get both envelopes with a big one and the little ones, just put the little ones away. You don't need those. You can use those for something else or send them back. That you don't need. You only need one morning saliva check. You'll also get, of course, this test requisition information. So make sure you fill that out completely. So your name and all the information that they ask here, and the section about your symptoms. Now you're going to be getting something more from me about symptoms because I have my own questionnaire as well. That questionnaire is going to be very important for you to fill out, just like this one, so I can help you as an individual even more than if you just filled this out. So please fill out both this and the personal questionnaire that you're going to get from me. Also on the back, it also asks what you're currently on. So if you're already on bioidentical hormones, make sure you put that on there because I'm going to help you tweak it to get it just right. And if you're on any supplements, that's really helpful for me. If you're on any medications, that's really helpful for me as well. So here we go. I'm super excited. You have until midnight tonight if you haven't jumped on board yet, and I'm gonna be super excited to help you. Be looking for an email from me because we're gonna have some interaction beforehand and get you really ready to go for the rest of the year. It's gonna be great, and looking forward to helping you. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.